The Strait of Hormuz is turning into one of the most dangerous places on Earth. New reports say US and Iranian forces have exchanged attacks on vessels and warships near the Strait of Hormuz. The narrow waterway is responsible for transporting nearly 20% of the world's oil supply. And now the fear of a massive regional war is growing fast. Iran accused the United States of attacking ships and civilian areas near the Strait of Hormuz. The US responded by saying Iranian forces launched unprovoked attacks against American naval destroyers operating in the region. Explosions, drones, missiles, all in one of the most important shipping routes in the world. And here's why this matters to everyone. If the Strait of Hormuz becomes fully blocked, oil prices could skyrocket globally. Gas prices, shipping costs, and even food prices may rise within days. Hundreds of ships have already reportedly been stranded as tensions continue escalating. The US launched Project Freedom to guide ships through the strait and challenge Iran's restrictions in the area. Iran responded with warnings that any foreign military force entering the area could face direct attacks. And now countries around the world are watching nervously, because this isn't just about Iran and the United States anymore. This affects global trade, oil markets, and the entire world economy. Both sides are blaming each other for violating ceasefire agreements while continuing military operations near the waterway. Will this crisis calm down through negotiations? Or is the Strait of Hormuz becoming the center of a much larger war? Because if attacks continue, the impact could spread far beyond the Middle East. Comment below. Who do you think is escalating the situation?